how to make a cold email campaign to generate leads using WriteSonic. In order to do that, just head over and click on these emails right here. And then from in there, scroll down until you can see this cold email campaign. Click on this right here and then just put in here your campaign objective. I'll head over and use in here this lead generation, but you can also put in here anything that is actually not suggested. Now click on next, and then you can put in here your target audience. For this one, I'll head over and choose in here small business owners and then click on next. After that, this will proceed with this product details. So for example, let's put in here the product details that is actually transaction tracker. So I will be selling transaction tracker in order to make them more organized. Click on next and then put in your email personalization. Let's put in here common pain points and just click on generate right here. After that, this will generate right here a cold email campaign that we can use in order to actually write to those businesses and actually send them our product right here. Now head over and then use this and then modify it to your liking. So that's how you make a cold email campaign to generate leads using WriteSonic. Hope we helped.